Okay, so I did that one little section and you can see already the little bit of that bump of the hair going backwards. So I'm gonna do another little piece all the way throughout now. Most of the hair is dry. I do feel like a little bit of dampness still around. You can run your fingers, actually, most of it feels dry. But what I like to do just to get that extra bit of volume is I like to flip my head over and like blow dry with my head upside down. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, there you have it. Wow, the hair looks, I have so much body, it looks amazing, and it does not look like I have thin hair, which I love. One thing I like to do, and this is like a secret tip, feel free to use it because after this video is published, it won't be secret anymore. I like to add a little bit of dry shampoo into my hair after I blow dry. And I feel like what that does is it absorbs any of the excess oil. I feel like when, even for myself, but also my clients that have had thin hair, I feel like some of their scalp gets oily very easily, and I don't really know exactly why that is, but I think it has to do with like the oil production. There's just like more scalp. I really don't know the reason behind that. You can see it has so much volume and body. So I like to do that so this blowout lasts me a little bit extra. Another thing, so I'm gonna grab that real quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw in some of this at the root. This is the Biotin Boost Thickening Dry Shampoo from Hask. I like this one because it is also dark in color. It doesn't give you that white finish. And I just add a little bit. A little bit goes a long way for anything. But you can see volume, 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 and the hair looks amazing. If you are struggling with thin, limp hair, I definitely would recommend using some of these tips. Like I said, I love this. The only thing I wish that this product, this Revlon One Step Dryer had also was like maybe a cooling feature where it would let you heat and then it would let you cool your hair down. The other thing I do like is this texturizing spray, this dry texturizing spray. I've been using this over a year now, guys, and I love just if I want to add a little bit more texture, again, just a little bit more body into the hair. And especially if I was maybe like curling the hair, this would even give me a little bit more volume. But you can see blow dry, thick hair, you look like you just stepped out of the salon. Your hair looks amazing. You can, whether you're going to a Zoom call or you have an in-person meeting, your hair is just gonna look fabulous. If you're gonna be exercising, I definitely am gonna tell you this does not last as long. So if your scalp sweats, this oil that it produces will start to flatten out your hair. If you wear a cap or anything on your head, the volume that you've achieved by doing this blow dry is gonna start to get limp. But if you are gonna be able to just keep it this way, you can sleep, put maybe a loose braid in your hair when you sleep so the hair doesn't get like all tangled when you wake up in the morning. You can also sleep with a satin pillow cover. When you do lay down, you wanna pick your hair up and then put your head on the pillow so that the bottom of your head is resting on the pillow and not like all of this to flatten out the hair. So those are just some of my tips. The vitamins that I was gonna recommend to you guys, you definitely should be taking like a biotin. I use the Nutrilite Hair, Skin, and Nail from Amway. Then I also use like just other hair oils. I use the Juve Naturals hair oil that helps to lengthen and thicken my hair. I'll link all those products in the description of this video. But I do some of those treatments because I feel like everything that you take inside, so also clean eating, healthy diet, exercise when you do sweat, it opens your pores and it helps you to like get rid of toxins. Toxins can sometimes be the cause of like whether it's getting sick or hair, even hair loss. All those things make a difference. Make sure you have a diet rich in protein, whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or you do eat meat, you want to make sure that you are getting in good protein sources because that again is going to build the collagen in your body and also in your scalp. That's going to help to lead to healthy hair oil. If you use a lot of product in your hair, the other thing that can happen is your ducts and can get clogged in your scalp, and that can also lead to lack of hair growth or hair loss. So just make sure that you're almost taking care of your body, your physical physical, mind being, well-being, stress is another thing that causes hair loss. All those things kind of contribute to that. So I would definitely recommend, even if you feel like, oh, I have thinning hair, there's no going back. Your hair, you can grow new hair. Baby hairs, that's what the purpose of baby hairs, if you have a lot of them, or people that have baby hairs. So you can regenerate and regrow and get fresh new hair. So I would definitely recommend you follow some of those tips and stay healthy, stay well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to share, like it, and subscribe to the channel for more information like this. Love you, Cinderellas. We'll see you later. Bye.